Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make a line graph on your Microsoft Office Excel's worksheet. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Excel worksheet and follow these simple steps. Now I'm going to the insertion tab or going to the menu insert. Then here are many sections that you will see. We are interested on the charts. Here we find the line graph uh, or area chart. We need the line graph, so we are going to select this one. Now we have this blank chart. We need to give it some data. So we are going to right click on it and we will go to the select data button, and we will add our data. So now I'm going to add my data here. So I'm going to click on the legend entry or the series. So I'm going to have name. So let's just give it the number, the name number, and here we are going to choose our range of data. So we have just to drag this one, and as you can see we have the line graph that has been done. Here we can edit our label range, so I will give it just this one and click OK and just click OK, and now we have this line graph. Also, whenever you are choosing, let's just this is a big number, so let's just have it for example 12, and this one should be 3, 5, and then let's be it for example 1, and this one should be 14 and 2. So as you can see, it is taking the data from the table and automatically importing and giving you the chart that you want. So basically this is how you make a line graph chart. Thank you for watching and goodbye.